Now tell me, who is he, Ganika?
He's a bunny.
Okay. So what is he having in his hands?
He having his hand flowers.
Yes, he is having few flowers in his hands. Very nice. So what is the color of the flowers which he is having in his hands?
He having his hand, his color.
He is having in his hand, yeah, he is having in his hands orange color flowers.
Orange color flowers.
Yes. So how is he looking? He is looking excited, sad, happy.
So
Mm-hmm.
he is looking so
Mm-hmm. He is looking happy, sad, excited, or puzzled, confused, or what?
excited.
Okay. But I can see maybe he is a bit sad or a bit nervous. Don't you see? Nervousness on his face, a bit nervous or a bit sad. So what is he wearing on his head? Do you know what's called this? Okay, he is wearing crown on his head. Okay.
On his
Yes. How is his cheeks looking? Mm-hmm. Cheeks are pink. Right? Cheeks are pink. Okay.
cheeks up pink.
Next one. Who is he?
He is a bunny.
Yes. And this bunny is different from first one bunny, right? This bunny is
Yes.
different from first one bunny. And how is he looking?
He is looking so excited.
Very good. Really. He is looking so excited and happy. Nice.
He is sitting flowers.
He is sitting on flowers. He is sitting on the flowers. Okay. Next. Now who is he?
He is a
Again
rabbit.
it's again a rabbit. It's not bunny, it's a rabbit. You know what is the difference between bunny and rabbit?
Because he looks
No, rabbit is father or mother of a bunny. Bunny means rabbit's kid. Okay, bunny is rabbit's kid and rabbit is the parents of bunny. So जब बड़ा हो जाता है rabbit, bunny जब बड़ा हो जाता है तो उसे rabbit बोलते हैं. Okay, bunny means baby of rabbit. Okay, and now tell me, how is he looking? He's looking happy, sad, or what?
he looking so happy.
Happy. Good. What is the color of this rabbit?
His color is brown and white.
Very nice. So, if you get a chance, would you like to adopt this rabbit?
Yes.
Okay, and I like it too. Okay. And this rabbit is looking so innocent, don't you think?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And what is he wearing on his head?
He wearing a
He is wearing a blue cap on his head. Right?
he's wearing a blue cap on hand.
Yes, he is wearing a blue cap over his head. Good. And how is he looking?
He's looking so
He's looking happy too.
he's looking happy too.
Yeah, he's smiling. He's not laughing, but he's smiling. Okay, next one. This is again a bunny. What is he carrying on his hand?
He carrying a flower on his hand.
Yeah, what is he carrying by his hand? He is carrying a flower pot by his hands. Good. What is the color of this bunny?
His color is white and pink.
Yes. And what is the color of its dress?
His dress color is yellow.
Okay, how is his tail looking? His tail is so furry. Furry. Furry means जैसे फर जैसे होते हैं ना इसमें. His tail is so furry. Okay. And he is also quite happy. Next one. Okay. What is this scene about?
This is a dog, puppy.
Yeah, this is a puppy. Who is carrying this puppy? Who is holding this puppy?
A girl.
Yeah, this is a girl who is holding a puppy in her hands. Okay. So how this girl is looking?
Girl is looking so beautiful.
Good. Okay. And what is she wearing on her head? She is wearing a crown, flower crown on her head. She is wearing a flower crown on her head. Okay, what is the color of her dress? The color of
Is yellow.
yeah. Answer in full sentence, Ganika. What is the color of her dress?
The color was yellow.
The color of her dress is yellow. Okay, the color of her dress is yellow. Next. Okay. How is this girl looking? This girl is looking so cute. Okay, what is he carrying on his hand?
He carrying a drink on his hand.
Very nice. What is he carrying on her back?
He carrying a bag on his back.
Very good. Okay. What's called this hairstyle? What she is carrying? Ponytail. That's called ponytail. Okay. What is the name of this hairstyle? Ponytail.
Ponytail.
Yeah. Okay. How is she showing the finger? What is it called? It's called a victory sign. Right? It's called a victory sign. V. We have to make a V while using our fingers. That means victory. Most of the time when we capture our pig, we show the victory sign. And she is wearing a pink color frock with jacket, with blue jacket. Okay, and she is giving a pose for capturing the picture. She is looking so cute. Next. If you have to name this girl, Ganika, what name would you give to her?
Sweetie.
Sorry?
Sweetie.
Sweetie. Okay, nice. What is the color of her lips?
His lips color is orange.
What is the color of her lips? Her lips color is orange. Yeah. What is she carrying in her hands?
He carrying a drink in his hand.
Okay, so if you get a chance, what drink would you like to carry in your hand or you would like to taste? Don't you have any idea, Ganika?
Lassi.
Lassi. Okay. So, how this girl is carrying a hairstyle, what's called this? It's called a messy bun. Messy bun. Okay. And I think she is looking at her mom. And she just woke up. है ना? ऐसा लग रहा नहीं अभी भी उठी है and she is looking at her mom. Her mom is talking to her. Now, yeah, who is she? What is she doing? She is peeping. She is peeping from the backside of a log. She is peeping from the backside of a log. And she is looking so mischievous. शैतान दिख रही है ना ये? She is looking so cute but mischievous. She is looking so cute, but mischievous. थोड़ी सी mischievous दिख रही है, शैतान दिख रही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, she is looking as if she is planning about doing something. Next, what is she doing?
He is sleeping.
She is sleeping, huh? She is sleeping. Yes. And how is she looking?
He is looking so happy.
Happy. Okay. What is she wearing on her head? She is wearing a brown cap on her head. What is the color? Okay, so what is the color of her legging or pant? The color. Tell me. The color of her pant is brown.
The color of his cap is brown.
The color of her pant is brown. Her यहाँ पर girl है ना तो her बोलेंगे. The color of her pant is brown. She is. Tell me, seeing her expressions. She is happy, excited, surprised, or puzzled, confused. Tell me.
Confused.
I think she is scared. डरी हुई लग रही है ना? She is scared. Tell me, Ganika, what do you feel? She is scared or she is surprised?
Scared.
Scared है ना? ये डरी हुई लग रही है ना? She is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and she is looking scared. Okay, and now she is.
He is looking scared.
She is looking scared too. ये भी डरी हुई लग रही है. अब अगर हमें बोलना है ये भी डरी हुई लग रही है. She is looking scared too. ये भी डरी हुई लग रही है. She is looking scared too. Okay. Scared too. डरी हुई लग रही है. Next. Who is she?
She is a fairy.
Yes. Okay. What is she wearing on her head? She is wearing a flower crown on her head. Speak after me.
She is fairy.
She is wearing a flower crown on her head. Speak after me, beta.
A flower crown.
Now she is a new girl. What is the name of that flower which she is holding in her hands?
Sunflower.
Yeah, this flower's name is sunflower. Good. How is this girl looking?
Girl is looking so happy.
Yeah, she's looking so happy. Okay. So she is sitting or standing or she is lying.
She is lying.
She is standing. ये खड़ी है ना? She is standing. And she is a kind of dancing. वो डांस के जैसा कर रही है. She is a kind of dancing. Right?